The three Treasuries of Tao.
三、薄清法主讲者。五、净妙翻译者。
Mr. Jerome William McCarthy Index.
目录
Chapter 1 Why His relationship with the Tao. When he realizes that he is one with the Tao, he has become fully enlightened.
三、以心传心口传心手，以老之心传于众生之真心，此者老的分灵之心也。
C. The third